Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rupal from Sugar Poetry Bakes. Come, let's create this beautiful number cake with me. So, जैसा आपने thumbnail में देखा होगा, we are gonna create this 60 number cake today. तो उसके लिए दो different cakes बनने हैं for both the digits. So I'm starting by cutting off the layers from both the sponges. So let's start. सबसे पहले I'll go in with a small amount of cream on the board. There goes our sponge and then some soaking on it. So this was a blueberry cake and summers चल रही है. I feel that seasonal fruits, fresh fruits or berries, they taste really nice and refreshing in summers. Now I've shown you this particular step in real time. I haven't skipped or fast forwarded it. So as you saw in the thumbnail, it's a number cake and you must have already seen it's a 60 number cake. So of course it's for a retirement celebration. Now this was for my mother-in-law and me and my husband together had planned a beautiful party for her. And it was a complete surprise to her, so I wanted to make a grand cake as well, something symbolic and something that's not usual for your parties. So isliye I decided, let's make a number cake, and what better day to make it than a retirement day. Now there goes our blueberry filling. So because ये number cakes थे, so per cake, that is per digit, मैंने सिर्फ 2 layers use करी हैं because I wanted flatter look on the cake, because उसके ऊपर I'm gonna put some flowers as you saw in the thumbnail. So that's gonna give some height to it. There goes the second layer, some soaking, and then we'll go in with the cream. So while we are doing this, let's talk about the party. So as I mentioned before, it was a surprise party and my mother, she was completely unaware that we were having any such celebration. उनको हमने बस ये बोला था कि we'll go to a nice restaurant, just get dressed up and बाहर चल के we'll celebrate and we'll eat. Now because Papa was aware कि ये party हो रही है, only Mummy was unaware. So we sent them outside on some pretext and had them come back after 1.5 hours. Because we needed that time to do all the arrangements, decoration, food, guests, everything. Now we're moving on to the second cake. Again it's the same process, so I'll continue with the party talk. Now surprise party ka the major element, as the name suggests, is surprise. And surprise तभी होता है when everyone plays along. And all our guests were so nice, so punctual. All of them came in time. We gave them a particular time slot to come, so our parents don't spot them and the surprise doesn't fail. सब लोग उस time frame के within आ गए. सब लोग prepared, ready आए. Everyone helped us within that 1.5 hour to do all the arrangements. And when Mummy, Papa, they came back, it was a huge surprise for Mummy. Mummy was like totally taken aback and she was like, I had no idea that this was being planned. I thought the party is cancelled. Now I love giving surprises to people, but I think ये मेरा भी one of the best surprise party थी. We also played some video messages by her friends, family, Nani, and all. And she was just so happy. We had good food, music, fun games, and snacks and everything. And she was all smiles the entire day. I think ऐसे छोटे छोटे surprises we should keep doing for our close ones, because the smile that comes to their faces, it's so worth it. Now the crumb coating is done. I'm just cleaning the board, and we'll move to tracing out the numbers now. So I'm starting by tracing 6 number, because I thought वो ज़्यादा tricky है. I just miscalculated because I didn't think कि उसकी जो ऊपर वाला part होता है उसके लिए भी I need some space. So ये trace 6 करा है, but I ended up making it a 0. Then I'm cleaning out the inner part जहाँ से केक हटाया है, and doing the cream layer on that part as well. Now इस स्टेप पे थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, बिकॉज बाहर वाली साइड पे केक की क्रीम लेयर लगाना इज़ कंपेरेटिवली ईजियर देन द इनर पार्ट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज स्पेस कम होती है, डायरेक्ट एक्सेस नहीं होता. बट स्टिल कंपेरेटिवली 0 नंबर पे ईजियर था देन 6 नंबर. I was anyway waiting to make a number cake for way too long, so I thought this was the perfect occasion, and I'm just so happy I made this. Now this time I knew how to trace out 6, तो अब मैंने सही कटिंग करी है. And as you see, the cream part here is more difficult compared to 0, as you can see in the video itself. Again, this circular part is still fine. The hole in this 6 number is still fine. When I'll go around the curve on the top, वो ज़्यादा difficult है. एंड उससे भी ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट आई फील इज़ द क्लीनिंग पार्ट, जब आपको वो गैप्स को क्लीन करना पड़ता है. एंड एज यू सी, जिस पार्ट पे अभी मैं क्रीम लगा रही हूँ, देयर इज़ हार्डली एनी स्पेस. तो आप अपना हैंड डायरेक्टली यूज़ करके या कोई टिश्यू पेपर एज इन यूज़ करके क्लीन कर ही नहीं सकते. आई हैड टू यूज़ लाइक कॉटन बड्स और कॉटन अराउंड द स्टिक. नाउ एनीवे, वी आर डन विद द crumb coat. We're moving on to the final layer. Since 0 is easier, I'm starting with icing the number 0 first. So I went with a pale yellow color because I was going in with a lot of flowers, but I just didn't want a blank white base. I wanted a little bit of tint on the base of the cake. So I went in with a very pale yellow color, and then there are a lot of colorful flowers, as you'll see further. Sit back and enjoy this part till the final icing of number 6. Alright, now we are moving on to the flowers decoration. By this time my phone's battery had almost given up and the light was already off, so the view is not too good, and I was running so late that I didn't even realize कि flowers की making की shoot I wasn't able to do. So I've just placed the flowers and shown you just that part. I've put some colorful hydrangeas, some roses. These are all made of cream, by the way. And the white portion that you see in the middle of each flower, उस portion में I'm gonna put some pollen stems. In the thumbnail you will be able to see. This is the final look. I also put in some green leaves to add some texture and color to it and to complete the entire look. Everyone loved the cake, everyone loved the flavor. I hope you love it too. Like, share and subscribe and follow for more. And do let me know in comments how you like the video. Thank you.